What's good, everybody? It's KTG612, and today we're just gonna go grab our Pinlock lens insert for the helmet. It's 50 degrees right now and it's still fogging up. This is the first time I've ever bought a Pinlock lens insert. I've owned helmets that were Pinlock ready. I think it's about time I invest in one, since I like to ride as much as possible, even when it gets a little chilly and things like that. I ordered it online and it's currently at the store, so it's ready for pickup. And so we're going to do the installation as well. So let's see how easy it is to install. See if I can just do it in the parking lot. Let's see if we can spot any bikes around here. Oh, I like this. I'm parking in the sun. There we go. Oh, wow.
It's a pretty easy installation. You just got to make sure the seals that goes along this outer edge, that goes on the inside of the visor. Kind of have to flex it a little bit. Slide that side in. Yeah, that's that easy. There's these round inserts that you just go around these pins. That's basically it. And it creates a seal. And basically, that's why it doesn't fog up. Pretty cool. And it works.